Alright, so let's talk about an extraordinary journey I embarked on. Reading 40 books on money. Let me tell you, the insights are big. Not only as a way to make a lot of money, but also in terms of transforming your entire approach to wealth. From the magic of automation to the promise of digital wealth, having a growth mindset and the groundbreaking potential of AI, these books cover it all. So let's talk about what exactly this is, how some people build significant wealth with minimal effort, my plan to leverage these insights and eventually become a millionaire in the next 1 year, and finally, how you can use this information to not just survive in the digital age, but thrive in a way that could reshape the way wealth is created. With that said, let's begin. Let's uncover these secrets one by one, and I'll reveal an experiment I conducted that could change everything you thought you knew about making money. Here's the journey to becoming richer, smarter, and financially free. Ready? 1. Mindset is key. Every titan of industry, from Warren Buffett to Sarah Blakely, shares one common trait: a mindset geared towards abundance and opportunity. It's about seeing beyond the immediate hurdles and envisioning a future of wealth. Buffett didn't just see a failing textile company. He saw the future Berkshire Hathaway. This mindset shift is your first step towards monumental wealth. 2. The power of systems. Systems and automation are your best friends in the journey to wealth. Just like Amazon automates its inventory, automating your savings and investments can significantly impact your financial growth. By setting up automatic transfers to my investment accounts, I mimicked the efficiency of the most successful companies, paving my way to financial freedom without daily efforts. 3. Earn while you sleep. If you don't make money while you sleep, you need to change something. The ultimate goal of investing is to create a source of income that doesn't require your active time. Dividend-paying stocks or an automated online business are a perfect example. They offer a way to earn money round the clock, much like earning rent from a property, but without the need for ongoing management. Passive income streams that grow while you focus on living your life or working on your next idea. 4. Make money fast. While saving and investing lay the groundwork, true financial breakthroughs come from seizing opportunities to increase your income rapidly. Consider the story of Jeff Bezos, who transitioned from a secure job on Wall Street to launch Amazon from his garage. Initially focusing on books, he envisioned a future where Amazon would sell everything under the sun. Bezos didn't just incrementally increase his wealth, he rocketed to the top by identifying a scalable opportunity and relentlessly pursuing it. This leap from a steady income to creating one of the world's most influential companies exemplifies the essence of making money fast. If you think this is impossible for you, wait to hear what I have to share with you in a few moments. After applying these first principles for just 30 days, the results were staggering. I made my first money while sleeping thanks to investing in stocks. I also increased my income 20% while working 20% less. This experiment wasn't just about trying something new. It was about proving that with the right mindset, systems, and approaches to income, anyone can elevate their financial game. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Now, if you think that was impressive, wait until you see what the digital age has in store for us. In the next section, we're diving deep into the golden opportunities presented by digitalization and technology. How can these tools not just enhance your earning potential, but revolutionize it? I'll reveal another 30-day experiment I conducted. The results shocked me. Stay tuned, because you're about to find out. 5. The digital gold rush. The digital age is not just upon us. It's offering a golden ticket to wealth unlike any era before. Consider how platforms like Etsy or Shopify have enabled individuals to turn hobbies into lucrative businesses overnight. The key? Digitalization. By leveraging software and algorithms for everything from market research to product development, anyone can tap into global markets with minimal upfront costs. If your product isn't digital yet, now's the time to ask, how can I digitize this? Just look at how books went from physical copies to being available on Kindle, revolutionizing how we consume literature. 6. Automate to dominate. One of the most powerful business models today involves digital products. Think online courses, apps, or software as a service, SaaS. By creating a digital product and using digital advertising campaigns through Google Ads, Facebook ads, or TikTok ads, you can automate your entire business. This strategy not only keeps overheads low, but also ensures high profit margins. An example? Look at how Duolingo has leveraged app-based learning to become a powerhouse in language education, all through smart digital marketing and a robust, user-friendly platform. 7. Embrace AI. Fully embracing AI is not just an option, it's a necessity for staying competitive and innovative. AI can transform how we work, save, and invest, making processes more efficient and uncovering new opportunities for income. Take ChatGPT, for example. This AI tool is revolutionizing customer service, content creation, and even education, opening up new avenues for monetization that were previously unimaginable. 8. Influence through social media. Becoming a social media influencer is a viable path to wealth, and not just for celebrities. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok allow anyone to build an audience and monetize it. Even industry giants like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg utilize social media to influence public perception and market their products. If being in front of the camera isn't your thing, consider creating a digital avatar. Virtual influencers are gaining popularity, and they can be just as effective in engaging with audiences and promoting products. By integrating these digital strategies into my life, I witnessed exponential growth in happiness and income. I created a first digital products and set up AI-driven and fully automated marketing campaigns. I doubled my income and started working less than before. But the digital age is just one piece of the puzzle. Up next, we'll uncover how smart savings and investment strategies can not only preserve the wealth you create, but multiply it. If you've ever wondered how to safeguard and grow your digital earnings, you won't want to miss what's coming. The next section is where we turn profits into portfolios. I'll also share the results of another 30-day experiment. 9. Start saving today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the same goes for building wealth. Starting to save today sets the foundation for future financial success. Consider the story of someone who began saving just $5 a day in their 20s, and through the power of compound interest, retired as a millionaire. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. 10. Automate your financial growth. Automation isn't just for businesses, it's for your wealth too. By automating your savings and investments, you eliminate the temptation to spend unnecessarily and ensure consistent growth. Think of it like a fitness plan for your finances, where consistency beats intensity every time. I set up automatic transfers to my investment account and saw my savings skyrocket without needing to think about it. 11. Unlimited earning potential. While cutting costs has its limits, your earning potential is unlimited. Focusing on earning more rather than spending less opens up a world of possibilities. Take the example of a freelance graphic designer who doubled their rates and outsourced some of their work, effectively doubling their income without doubling their workload. The sky's the limit when you shift your focus to increasing income. 12. Goal setting and daily reminders. Setting goals is one thing, but keeping them in sight daily is where the magic happens. Using a daily reminder system, like a vision board or an app that tracks your progress, can significantly increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. I wrote down my financial goals and reviewed them every morning, which kept me aligned and motivated throughout my journey. After implementing these strategies for 30 days, I had my systems in place to fully automate saving and investing my profits into accounts dedicated for cash savings, ETF, and stock investments. I don't have to spend time on this anymore, can avoid making bad emotional short-term decisions, and fully focus on making more money. This challenge showed me that with the right mindset, systems, and a focus on growth, financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's an achievable reality. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your financial goals is action. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, automate your growth, aim higher, and set your sights on those goals. And if you're curious about the overall outcome of this incredible journey, here it is. Not only did I drastically improve my financial situation, but I also set the stage for a future of wealth, freedom, and opportunity. Now it's your turn to embark on this journey and see where it takes you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights and strategies to unlock your financial potential. Subscribe, and let's build wealth together. The information provided in this video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not intended as financial or investment advice. Financial decisions should be made based on your individual circumstances and, when necessary, with the advice of a professional financial advisor. While the strategies and insights shared in this video are based on careful research and personal experience, financial markets are subject to fluctuations, and there is always a risk of loss when investing. Perform your due diligence before making financial commitments. Click here to watch more.